Hi, this is Dan. Just want to go over a few things for our use of Schoology to help us be consistent and make it easier for students to use the system as we go into this online environment during the closure. The first thing is to think about the organization of your course. This is one of our basic guidelines anyway, but different teachers had a variety of different things going on. What I did, I already had a lot of folders, but I wanted to make it easy for students. So I created this folder called Biology B folder. And then I put all my other folders in there. So this would have all of the previous work in the course and so forth that they won't really need to access at this point. But I don't want to delete it or unpublish it. I just want it to be, not confusing in terms of the navigation. So I just, you can just click and drag things around into those folders and so forth. Or if you just have a big list of assignments that you've been creating, and haven't really had a folder system, this is the time to go in under Add Materials, add a folder, put all of your previous assignments in there. And then what I did is I created a folder called Online Biology Assignments, and I'll put all of the assignments there that they'll do during this closure now. So everything will just be in one place, and anything I assign will need to be created as an assignment with instructions and whatever resources. So, they'll need to be able to navigate to those pieces, and if they're all in one place, that'll just be easy. The second thing is to use the updates feature, and it's a basic expectation that all of us will post a plan for the week. Now, we have an even-odd schedule, which means that even-numbered periods work on those classes on even-numbered days, and odd-numbered periods work on those classes on odd-numbered days. So you need to take that into account in terms of your planning. Your one set of classes will have 3 periods per week, and one set of classes will have 2, and then it'll flip the following week. So, in terms of your planning, you can kind of think through it that way. But we're just trying to help students structure their time, but we need to post that plan. So if I come in here and I say, all right, here's my plan for 4-6 through 4-10, and then I'm going to outline each day, depending on whether classes are even or odd, what they should do. And you want to make sure that you give a good description. Now, this isn't creating the assignment. This is just telling them in one place what they should be working on. So I'm going to go through and complete that. Now, I can attach links or docs there, other thing. I can put a link in if I want. There's some icons down here as well for, if you have stuff that needs to go with that. But you want to at least make sure that you're saying, what should the students be working on each day? Now, when I go to post that, I'm going to come down here. There's a little icon with a bubble and a plus sign. And I'm going to select this golden bell. And what that does is it posts the update also as an announcement. So the updates will appear in the student stream and under this updates feature on the left-hand side. But if you post it as an announcement, it'll also appear right at the top of the course when they go in. So, each week, if you're posting a plan, boom, there it is right when they go in. And again, we're posting these plans through the updates, not on the calendar, through the updates feature here on the left-hand side.